Yeah, actually the task was given to case study about the STEAM activity to us. I am Indu. I'm going to present over here. So the problem was given to the child to make a long bridge as possible with the materials which is given, and they have to complete the task in the given time as well. So this is a challenge, and the problem was given to the child. And the challenge rules also was mentioned over here that they must use only the popsicles also, and they have to make a bridge on the table, and they have to make as long as possible and as long as shortest which they are making. And it should be free standard. It should not lie on anything. And the base, they can choose own their own base. So these are the challenge rules which was given to the child, and some examples also shown to them, like this, like these pictures are shown to the children. They can create their imaginative to build this bridge using only the popsicles sticks. And the solution, when the content was given to the child to build a longest bridge using these popsicles and legos or as materials which was mentioned over there, and they will be understanding about the community helper and what is their work, how they will design it, how they will construct it while going on, and how they will plan for the safest bridge, and why these bridges are made for us, and why these bridges are important to make. So these are all things they will be observing, and they will be learning all those things in this activity. So that is the main content and objective, and the process which was shown to the children with the pictures and the videos related to this activity, and the children will be able to understand something from that, and they will create their own creativity. And the challenges, they have to complete this task within the given time and within the given materials, and they have to make their own model. So this is how the result came, like they prepare their own model like this using the popsicle sticks with the paper cups, and which is on any page of their choice or on the table of their choice. So this one of the child made with the blocks, like Lego blocks, and the other child made with the paper cups. So this is the creativity we develop, and the importance of the bridge also we give to the children. So they actually share their open-mindedness, self-innovation in this, and also they use the educational materials, and they know in particular time they have to work with on. So these are the practices we develop to the children, and this is the result we get from them. And yeah, we also they study the practical implementations to get the logical thinking in their competency of this team activity. So that is how this team activity is for the children. Thank you.
So the Courage team has started